Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Beats Solo 4 to any smart TV. Now, first things first, ensure that you put your Beats Solo 4 into pairing mode. Now, to do that, you have to power on your Beats in case they are off. So all you have to do is press the power button. Here it is. Press the power button for about 2 seconds to power on the Beats. So press and hold. Now, once they're on, all you have to do is put them into pairing mode. So press and hold the power button again for about 5 seconds, and you should see this light blinking, indicating that they're in pairing mode. So press and hold for 5 seconds. And then once they're in pairing mode, all you have to do is go to the Bluetooth settings on your TV. So for me, I'm using a Samsung Smart TV, but it might be different for any other TV. So go to settings and then select all settings. And then within the settings, scroll down and select connection. And then within the connections, scroll down and select Bluetooth devices. Now from here, your TV will start scanning for any available Bluetooth devices. So scroll down until you see the available devices, and you should see your Beats Solo 4 appear right there. So simply select on them and then select pair and connect. So you should say connecting to your Beats Solo 4, and you can see your Beats Solo 4 have been successfully connected to your smart TV. So now you can use your Beats Solo 4 to listen to music or to watch movies on your TV. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.